Have you ever thought about starting yoga but felt overwhelmed by where to begin? Maybe you've seen those crazy poses on Instagram and thought, yeah, not for me. But guess what? Yoga isn't about being flexible, it's about feeling good in your body and